Hey guys, this is Trace from Dub Academy. I also make music under the name Xyan. Today I probably got a bit of a short one for you, but we're going to be going over how to make those comb filter sweeps or risers. You've heard them in many songs before. Examples would be like Said the Sky's new track, Go On Then Love. There's Illenium's Lonely and Illenium's Losing Patience. You can go into the builds of those songs and you'll hear it pretty clear, especially after hearing the examples or example. So right here, this is a comb filter sweep from a sample pack that I'm currently making. Sounds like this. You've probably heard that sound in many songs, and it's actually a very easy sound to make. I remember years ago, Nicky Romero was talking about this type of riser in a video, and he was saying that he wanted people to just go out, experiment, try and find out how to make it, and I respect that. It's a very easy sound. So I'm just gonna start with Serum, put it on this MIDI clip or channel. I'm going to turn off oscillator A. I'm going to turn on the noise oscillator and put us under analog, bright white. Basic noise. White noise is not tonal, so it doesn't matter what note you choose. White noise is every frequency being played at the same loudness at the same time. So you'll hear it's just noise. So we're going to turn on the filter and make sure it's triggered for noise. On this drop down, we're going to go into the flanges, and you could use comb plus or comb minus. I like using comb minus. They just have slightly different sounds. Let's turn up the resonance. I'll even turn up the drive a little bit, and you'll be able to hear. It's already almost there. It's really funny. Let's go and up that a little bit more. So as you can tell, we're going to be automating this cutoff. So I'm going to press A, click on cutoff. You'll see it'll default right here. And let's increase that. And you want to mainly use your ears for this part, because where you begin and where you end will give you slightly different textures. That's a pretty good range right there, like the first two spots I picked. But if I wanted to take it a little bit lower, it'd be a little bit more subtle. I kind of liked it where it was. So let's go back up to that 71. You could even change the curve ever so slightly if you want. We'll just change the intensity of how it's going over time. I like that more. So another thing you're probably going to want to do to match what you hear in most tracks and even the sample, you can see it comes through right away. So you probably want to put a utility on this. And we'll automate the volume at the same time. Lastly, I'm just going to clean it up with EQ. There we go. I'm going to freeze and flatten it. That way you can see it in sample form. So most samples for packs on export, for most of them, not all of them, they will normalize them on export, meaning they will make the sample the loudest it can be without clipping. So that's why you see samples like this, which have way bigger waveforms than this. But if I turn it up, it's going to look fairly similar. See that right there? So you could like custom make these for your tracks like in the project, or you could make a couple of them, put them in your own sample pack. It's a very easy sound to make. That's what I got for you today. That's how you make comb filter risers. So if you like what you're seeing, be sure to subscribe. We have videos coming out weekly, and thank you very much.